Well, you know, I spent hours in church listening to the testimony of those saved souls, Dad, but are the lives really changed? Or do they just fall back into the same rut, futility, trying to hold on to something in this world?
I don't think it's this world that they're worried about. So why'd you call me? You never needed my help before. I was on my way to see you last night.
Good to see you. Good to see you. Any news of music?
Absolutely, sir. Treat my son well and you'll be older than him.
Well, I'll remember that the next time the commander shows his studies.
Should I leave so you two can talk about me?
If you don't mind.
This is Lieutenant Sims. I'm working with the USO. Yeah, hi. I'm compiling the personal information forms for the Baghdad tour. No, sir, you may not bring your 30-06. If you feel the need to fight off the Fedayeen, I'm sure the Marine Corps will have your back. Iceberg is not the name your parents gave you, and I will not put that on your passport application, young man. Isaac. Thank you. Schulberg. Okay. No, ma'am. Do not include hydroponically grown organic.